students, today we are discussing the topic that is enthalpy of reaction and the standard enthalpy of the reaction equation to find out the enthalpy change of a particular reaction. Okay, first of all we are discussing the enthalpy of a reaction. We had already discussed that is what is enthalpy. Enthalpy H is equal to U plus PV. The heat change in a particular reaction, that is change in heat, that is the enthalpy. Measurement of thermal changes, that is thermal changes means the heat changes, that is enthalpy, is generally carried out at constant pressure. Values of enthalpy changes at the corresponding experimental temperature, that is the value of enthalpy changes with regarding the experimental temperature. So we can express this enthalpy of a reaction. We can define this enthalpy of a reaction, that is delta HR delta HR at a given temperature is defined as the enthalpy change produced in the reaction when the molar quantities of the reactants and the products are the same as those shown in the stoichiometric equation for the reaction. Stoichiometric equation for the reaction. That is, most of the students are trying to by heart all these definitions, that is enthalpy change, enthalpy of formation, enthalpy of combustion, and they are not knowing what actually the enthalpy of combustion means, and they are not trying to get deeply into that content. You guys do one thing. Firstly, you have to capture the content in your mind. Then you have to read the sentence. There is definition or else anything else. That is, you have to read that sentence 1 or 3 times. That is, it will help you to remember for a long time. Okay. This here the definition is enthalpy change produced in the reaction when the molar quantities of the reactants and products are the same as those shown in the stoichiometric equation for the reaction. That is the enthalpy change of a reaction. That is, enthalpy change can be calculated by using the formula, that is delta HR is equal to enthalpy, total enthalpy of the products minus total enthalpy of the reactants. For all type of reaction, the enthalpy change of that particular reaction can be found out by this formula, by using this formula, that is delta HR is equal to H total products, that is enthalpy of the products minus enthalpy of the reactants. That is products means overall products. It is AI HM of products minus sigma BI HM of reactants. That is, what is AI and BI represents? The stoichiometric coefficient of the products and reactants respectively. That is, in a balanced chemical equation, there is a number representing the reaction. HM represents the molar enthalpy terms of the concerned species. That is, A and B represents the stoichiometric coefficients of the particular balanced chemical equation, and HM represents the molar enthalpy term. Okay, let us consider one example, that is CH4. It is CH4 plus, it is in gaseous state, methane plus 2O2 gas. Carbon dioxide plus water. Water is in liquid state. That is, here we are going to find out the enthalpy change of this particular equation, that is particular chemical reaction. That is, here sigma AI HM of products minus sigma BI HM of reactants. That is, here sigma means the total sum total of the products, and here sigma of reactants means sum total of the reactants. That is, can write like this, that is HM of carbon dioxide gas plus, we have to use this coefficient, that is stoichiometric coefficient. That is, in a balanced chemical equation we have a stoichiometric coefficient, that is the 2, and here also we have one stoichiometric coefficient. Okay, we have to represent, we have to use that coefficient also in the to calculate the reaction. Okay, we have to use those coefficient also. We have to consider those coefficient also to calculate the heat of the reaction, that is enthalpy change of the reaction. Okay, that is carbon dioxide gas plus 2 HM of water, that is in liquid state, minus of what, that is products minus reactants. Now next, which are the reactants? HM of CH4 is in gaseous state plus 2 into HM of O2 gas. Okay, this is the overall enthalpy change of this particular reaction. That is, here A and B represent the coefficients of particular type of balanced chemical equation, and HM represents the molar enthalpy term. Okay, the standard enthalpy of a reaction. Just what do you mean by standard enthalpy of a reaction? It is the heat change associated with the conversion of reactants in their standard state to products in their standard state. That is the standard enthalpy of a reaction. That is the heat change associated with the conversion of reactants in their standard state to products in their standard state. That is, the reactants and the products both are in standard state. That is, we had already discussed what is standard state and all. Okay, standard enthalpy of a reaction means standard enthalpy of a reaction of reaction, that is delta HR0, can represent like this, that is delta HR0. That this degree sign indicate the standard condition, that is here the enthalpy of a reaction, that is standard enthalpy of a reaction. This degree sign indicate the standard condition. Okay, standard enthalpy of reaction at a given temperature is defined as the enthalpy change produced in the reaction, that is enthalpy change produced in the reaction. When the reactants, that is when the reactants and products, that is reactants and products are in their standard states, and their molar quantities are the same, and their molar quantities are the same. That is, molar quantities means what? That is, here we are talking about a specific quantity of a substance, and we are also concerning with a standard condition. Okay, same as those shown in the stoichiometric equation for the reaction. That is, standard enthalpy of a reaction means the enthalpy change produced in the reaction when the reactants and products are in their standard states and their molar quantities are the same as those shown in the stoichiometric equation for the reaction. Let us consider one example, that is CH4 gas plus 2O2 gas gives carbon dioxide gas plus 2H2O. That is, H2O is a liquid state. The enthalpy, that is standard enthalpy for this reaction, is minus 890.35 kilojoule. That is, the equation shows that the standard enthalpy of reaction for the combustion of, that is, here reaction is taking place in the presence of oxygen, that is called combustion reaction. Combustion means burning in presence of oxygen. Okay, the reaction takes place in presence of oxygen is the combustion. That is, reaction for the combustion of 1 mole of methane is minus 890.35 kilojoule. That is, this value represent that this is an exothermic reaction. That is, negative value represent the this negative value implies that this is an exothermic reaction. Okay. That is, today we had discussed the enthalpy of reaction and the standard enthalpy of a reaction. In my coming videos, I am discussing with you the classification of enthalpies of reaction. That is, enthalpies of reaction is classified into different categories. Okay, let us wind up the section. Thank you.